Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can freeze video in CapCut. So here I have already import a video, and in CapCut if you want to freeze a video it's actually pretty easy. You can just go to the part that you want to freeze, for example in here, and then just click on the video, and on the toolbar here just swipe until you find the freeze option. Okay, this one's right here. Then the freeze frame will be added like this. I'm going to trim it, and to make it different than the video I'm going to add some filters. For example, in here I'm going to go to filter, then add the black and white like this, and apply it to the freeze frame like so. Okay, so the video will with the freeze frame will go like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.